In this video, we will view a very specific case for the machining of this ball. It is important to bring attention to the profile selection here, which has been done on the upper silhouette, which is the X plus direction. If we go to the MT and check the tool position, that's this tool, based on its orientation, we can see that here the tool is mounted on the rack in the X negative direction. If we launch the simulation, move on to the cycle here, you can see that the tool machines on the X negative direction. And this causes collisions. To solve this, there are three solutions. The first one is simply to just move the tool on the X plus rack, if possible. The second solution is to do the profile selection on the X negative direction using the lower silhouette. So let's do that. We edit this cycle, choose the lower profile, note that we also have to change the orientation of the tool. And also set the machining cycle to outside for proper computation of the toolpath. And we compute. Now in the MTE, we can see that the tool machines the ball properly in the right direction. If we revert to the initial situation, we have a third alternative as a solution. This is in MTE. In the Tooling tab, open the Machining Planes command, and in the table we can change the machining axis for each cycle to X positive or X negative, and so on. Here the axis for the finishing cycle is in X negative. Simply click on the arrows here to change it to the X positive direction, and we can validate. The simulation of the operation is carried out properly in the required orientation.